The Motorola Moto G Play 2024 is an entry-level smartphone designed to deliver essential features at an affordable price point. While it offers some improvements over its predecessors, it faces stiff competition in the budget segment. Design and display. The Moto G Play 2024 features a plastic build with a sapphire blue finish, providing a vibrant appearance. It includes practical features such as a headphone jack and expandable storage via microSD slot. Performance and software. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor, the Moto G Play 2024 is suitable for basic tasks such as calling, texting, and light app usage. The device ships with Android 13 and is expected to receive only one major software update, limiting its longevity in terms of software support. Camera. The Moto G Play 2024 is equipped with a single 50MP rear camera, a reduction from the multiple camera setups of previous models. While the camera can capture decent photos in well-lit conditions, it lacks versatility, particularly in zoom capabilities and low-light performance. Battery life. One of the device's strengths is its 5000 mAh battery, which can comfortably last through a full day of moderate use. However, the charging speed is limited to 15 watts, and Motorola no longer includes a charger in the box. Overall, the Motorola Moto G Play 2024 offers basic smartphone functionality at a budget-friendly price. Thank you so much.